Joy. Please.
Ano ba?
Ano ba yung nagawa kong mistake? To make my fault.
Ano mistake? Yung pinagsasabi mo dyan?
Ano bang ginagawa mo? Ba't ka nag-iimpake na?
Ano ba ang pakialam mo?
Don't make me mistake because my fault is this true.
Ano mo sinasabi mo kasi?
Kasi nga hindi
Huwag
mo ko
nga
tinuturuan
pipigilan
mag-English eh.
Hindi mo ako pipigilan dito.
Nakakainis naman to. Wait lang, parang may ano.
Ano ba?
Like may things alright to just seeing. May better to my fault is just to okay, relax.
Huh? Hindi kita maintindihan.
Relax, relax, relax. May zipper is so ano?
Sira yung zipper na yan.
At sira pa yung zipper na dinadala mo.
Dito sa kabila yung zipper. Ano bang pakialam mo kasi? Gamit ko to eh.
Kaya nga eh, may pakialam ako kasi pakialamero ako eh.
Kaya nga pakialamero ko talaga.
Don't be feel bad because I'm good to you. What is my fault to make you realize them?
Ano bang pinagsasabi mo kasi?
What makes you feel alright to my fault
Nakakainis
is...
naman.
Don't just relax, just relax.
Relax naman ako eh.
Don't handle it with care because you're back to your bad please. So don't push me to realize my mistake.
Ano bang pinagsasabi mo?
I don't understand because I just trying to understand, trying to Tagalog.
Hindi ka pa Tagalog?
You're folding that you're just okay.
Yeah.
So because you're gonna go with that clothes.
Ano ka ba? Inaayos ko nga eh.
Naayos mo pala eh.
Inaayos ko lang to. Ano bang iniisip mo?
Go back to their position to make realize it.
Inaayos ko lang yung mga
Nice.
damit ko.
Akala ko kasi may problema.
Ano iniisip mo? Aalis ako, lalayas ako, gano'n.
Akala ko nalayas ka. Ano ka ba? Hindi
Hindi pag lumayas ako, wala ka nang mabuburaot dito.
Kaya nga, wala nang mag-aalaga. So, I'm just thinking that person to make realize that fault. I'm better because I'm to this part of my life.
Ano mo pinagsasabi mo?
Don't give me that things to life because I'm fine to make the battery's life. Don't make the push me. Don't
Push
make the
me?
push to start.
Kanta yun ah.
Kanta ba yun? Sorry naman ah.
Ano ba yung English mo dyan? Wala akong naintindihan sa mga pinagsasabi mo.
I feel bad today because my doctor is quack. Tomorrow, I go to the bathroom to make a bath to go to their doctor to make to laugh to me because I'm serious.
You're serious?
Yes. Don't make me laugh because I'm serious.
Baka naman mamaya dumugo ilong mo niyan.
Huh?
Kasi kanina ka ba nag-i-English eh.
Don't you get mad to me, to my nose? No, I'm trying to blend my nose. Don't push me to my nose.
Okay. Pinapadugo mo pala yung ilong mo kasi
Yes.
para mapakapunta ka sa doktor.
Yes, because I'm trying to bleeding my nose to see my doctor tomorrow 9 a.m.
Okay. Kaya
Yes.
pala English ka ng English kasi gusto mong dumugo yung ilong mo.
Yes, I want that answer. Teacher,
Nangiya ka talaga, Choy.
make me happy, teacher.
Naniniwala ka doon na kapag English ka ng English, dudugo yung ilong mo?
Yes.
Tira ulo ka pala, isuntukin ko na lang yung ilong mo para dumugo talaga.
Oh, don't punch, teacher.
Anong teacher? Ginawa mo pa akong teacher.
Ay, sorry.
Sira ulo ka talaga, Choy.
My fault is better than your fault.
Ha?
Because my fault is just...
What?
Tell me you love me. Whisper words.
Uy, sira ulo. Mag-Valentine's Day, tapos ganyan-ganyan ka.
Kaya nga, saan ba tayo pupunta sa Valentine's?
So, saan tayo pupunta? Bakit magkasama ba tayo sa Valentine's?
Me, no Valentine's. No.
Akala ko ba may ka-date ka? Nanghiram ka sa akin, di ba?
No. Just listen to me. 14 is no to me because my
Why?
lovers is broken. broken my glasses.
Ah, your glasses is broken.
Yes, broken to 14. Because my eyes I don't like to see that day because it's heartbroken. Oh, no. Please give me.
Abnormal ka talaga,
Please give
Choy.
me to.
Ano yan? Ano na naman? Please mo na naman.
Please give me that 14 special because the batcher in Iloilo is so special.
Ay, gusto mo na naman talaga. Mapalibre ka na naman.
Batchoy, I like that. I like that batchoy because the batchoy is so delicious and so many.
Drama ka pa. Gusto mo lang ilibre ka eh.
Kaya nga eh. I know the batchoy is so yummy because the 14 is ready to eat to the.
Huwag ka na
Lapas.
English.
Sorry.
Ano ba eh? English ka ng English.
In La Paz, the batchoy is good. So,
Kakasabi ko lang eh.
14 is...
Ano ba yan? Hindi na ba ano yung dila mo? English na talaga yung nilalabas?
English na talaga. Yung panglasa ko, English na eh. The thing is, English because English is my favorite subject to the year 19 forgotten.
Abnormal ka talaga.
Jai,
O, ano na naman?
nice because you make me feel happy every day. I like you and you like me. Wish Jai, don't regret my heart.
No.
Don't push me to push you away.
Ano, push me to push you away.
Please Jai, your answer to my question. You like me?
Ay nako, bahala ka nga dyan. Ikaw na lang dun sa 14 ang ingay mo eh. Tingnan ko nga kung makakaalis na yung abnormal na yun. Uy! Ano ba yan? Natulog pa talaga dito. Uy! Ba't ka natulog dito? Akala ko umalis ka na.
I'm sleeping to my problem because my problem
Sleeping
is
to my problem.
so big deal to me.
What
so
big deal?
so duluting my heart because you don't answer my question
What question?
to you question and answer me.
Ano ba yan? Anong question na naman yun?
Answer me to make me feel good. Make me feel good like that.
Bakit? Ano ba yung question mo?
Question, do you like me? To go to 14 in date to someone to being better like me and better than like you.
Sira ulo ka talaga. Ang alam ko, magbuburaot ka na naman sa akin eh. Anong 14 ka dyan?
Ay, nakakaano naman talaga. Wala na talagang pag-asa yung 14 ko. What am I trying to do? Because the time
What?
is so short to make me find
Huwag ka kasi may
the right
English.
person.
English ka eh.
The time is short to make them
What?
short and long. I don't like I don't like short. Because the long period of time I like. Period of time is short. The 14 is coming now.
Oo na. Sige na nga. Papalibre ka lang naman ng batchoy tapos
Yes. Yes, Cha. Yes.
yes. Kaya umalis ka na doon. Umuwi ka na. Oo nga, umuwi ka na. Kita na tayo sa 14.
Don't go to me, my home. Because I'm homeless. Because
Ano nga umalis na naman yung sinasabi mo?
don't me make me
May bahay
homeless.
kayo. Diyan ang bahay nyo sa tabi namin eh.
Homeless because my home is here.
Anong here? Diyan nasa kabila yung bahay nyo.
What are you trying to say to me? Because my me is me. Don't because go home because me is me. House is house.
Huwag ka na kasi English ng English.
Don't forget to remember that. I don't like that you're saying to me to 14 is don't like halin sa puso mo. So I think you're saying is so delicious.
Pagkain lang naman ang utak mo eh.
Kind of ano ba yung pagkain nyo dyan, Chay?
Wala kaming pagkain dito.
Nagugutom ako.
Naubos na.
Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng pita? Sige nga.
Ano ba yan? Pati pa naman pita dyan. Nakita mo pa talaga.
Kaya nga bigyan mo ako ng pita yung kalahati.
Yung kalahati.
Yes.
Bakit na?
What you wish for?
No, what you wish for? Sports car, yung red.
Nakalahati na nga lang yung pita eh. Ano bang, ba't ba nangangarap ng sports car red? Kalahati na nga lang to.
Nakita ko yung dati eh. Ano ba? Kakainin ko ba ito mamaya?
Can you please bite this, bite?
Ayoko nga.